Hey guys, what's happening?
Hey everybody. I thought you were going to talk about the video.
Everybody likes puzzles, right?
Of course.
She loves them.
I do. I love puzzles.
Get ready. You're fixing to do one. Hey guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Yeah, if you hadn't hit us up on Instagram, hit us up on Instagram.
Hit the like button and subscribe, please. We appreciate it.
Yeah, today's video is something awesome, right?
I am not part of this video.
Yeah.
I don't endorse this video.
Yes, you do.
It's Mark.
Okay, so
Crazy creative brain.
Okay, so I'm fascinated with the small things, you know, like the little tiny
things.
Yeah, little tiny things. And you're gonna see if you're sensitive enough, which is the key to life, right?
Sure.
Sensitivity is the key to life.
Sure.
If you look close, you're gonna see repetition. You're gonna see how the person who made the product uses like orange and black, how they use curves. It's a really beautiful way to look at things if you just stop and look.
So this is kind of like an art video.
Yeah.
Like get the art of Rving.
Art. That's how we name it. Yes. And so anyway, so how it's going to work is you're going to get 5 seconds of a close-up of an RV product.
Yeah. Like something you'd use in the RV, something if you camp and travel you'll be familiar with.
Yes. And during that 5 seconds, you're going to have a chance to guess. You may pause it. As you pause it, you may want to wager something. Who knows? They may be wagering.
Not against us.
No, against each other in the room of what you think it is. And then after 5 seconds, I'm going to zoom out and reveal what it is.
But you can pause it longer than 5 seconds.
Yeah. All night.
Like I said, I'll never know.
Who cares?
Just play the game in humor, Mark.
Yeah. So anyway, you're really going to like this. So anyway, all right. Hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for watching.
Later.